At you with another video. This video is going to be a live trading video. This is actually one of the first on the channel. If you guys want to see more of these videos and you like this one, make sure to drop a like if you're new here. I make videos on psychology, trading strategy, and live trading as you see now. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and watch my shorts. Appreciate you guys for being here. Right now, we are on big gold. We're trading gold right now. Today is Friday. Right now we're in buys. So let's go ahead and break down. We're on a brand new combine. This is how you pass a combine within 1 to 2 days. You can see I have 6 contracts in right now. My stops is literally below the swing low. Super risky trade. For combines, as you get more experience with this, you really want to get these out the way as quick as possible. Right now, basically all I'm doing is I'm getting in with these 6 contracts, about 5 to 6 contracts on a micro. Try to get that 1,500 without losing 800. 800 to 1,000. You could actually put this at 1,000. Because if you lose 2 trades, that's the account. If you lose 1 trade, then you got another trade to trade for the day. The goal is 1,500 because you can't make more than 50% of a 50K account, which is 1,500 to get to that 3K goal. The setup that we're taking today is this right here. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the overall trend is bearish. Let me move these out the way. The overall trend is bearish. Market is actually testing a pretty good zone, which is this zone right here. It's testing this zone right here. Boom. Since market has came, it swept below this zone, grabbed liquidity. Now it's starting to trend up. Right now, today I seen a swing up. The swing point here, swing high. It's coming down. It's a swing low. It broke structure. Also came below this line again, grab a little bit more liquidity. I seen this created a head and shoulder inverse pattern. I don't see this too often. I don't really trade patterns as much. When I do add them to my trading, they actually help me make more money. They actually help me have a better win percentage because of that extra confluence. We see the head, you see the left shoulder here, you see the head, you see the right shoulder here. Basically what happens is it breaks out and retests. Now where I fucked up at, if I'm going to be completely honest, is I got in a little higher than expected. I got in at the 618 zone when price is actually going to respect most likely the 786 zone. You can see I'm probably getting stopped out as we speak right now. Hopefully it holds this zone. It's been holding this zone right here, this fair value gap. It still has all of this 15-minute fair value gap to tap into. Once price gets here to this yellow line, we're gonna go ahead and hit break even. Break even is gonna be around like $700. Once I get to 700, I'm gonna move my stop loss and profit so that we don't trade a day for nothing. Right now, price is coming down. It's trying to respect that other fair value gap of where I did mess up at. I'm not gonna move my stop loss that low just because it won't make any sense to put it all the way down here. That'll basically be the account. So I don't want to do that. It's not a good risk to reward ratio. I want to stay in the game a little longer with this account. We'll just do $1,000 a day of a loss and try to go for that 1,500. Name of the game is patience and detachment. You want to be as patient as possible and trust yourself and detach yourself from the outcome. If this thing hits SL, I'm already cool with it. I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? If it doesn't and it hits TP, I'm also straight because that's what I visualized. That's what I had envisioned. That's my goal. Whatever happens, I detach myself from the outcome. It is what it is. Right now, price is trying to push below lower. I know there's a lot of buyers here. We have a supply zone right here. Buyers. We have this huge wick. If I could get a fucking pull up like this right now, that'd be amazing. We have buyers holding this position here. Sellers are trying their best to cut it down, trying to respect that overall higher time frame trend. Right now, the time is 2 o'clock on the dot, so that's why price is trying to push down. If you go on the hour time frame, you can see it's forming a bearish engulfing, literally right there. For these last 40 seconds, let's see if we can have it push up, have some wick, and the next candle, see if it can impulse up because we are at the brim right now. You can see I'm keeping my cool. It's actually pretty straightforward. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Let's actually move this down lower to 1,000. We got about 15 seconds left until this candle closes. Let's see what it do. Fill as well. There's a gap here. It needs to get filled. Once the price pumps up here, these buyers can push it up, get into this zone here. We could easily get to break even. Once we get to break even, then we can make a decision whether the price wants to reject it or not. Come on, just push up. Let's keep going up on this gold trade. You can see here, I also made a video about this. It's like setting alerts. I set alerts at key zones. A key zone will be here. Key zone will be here as well because price could reject off of these zones. I set alerts at points in the market where price could reject off of. Price could come up to here, reject off of here. I also got a blue box here that lines up with these. So once price gets up to these, it can easily reverse and drop back down. I'll put an alert there so I can watch it closely and just know where I'm at in the market. I can have an alert up here as well where price also plummeted, went down crazy right here at this zone. I have an alert there knowing that there's a lot of there's a lot of sellers in this area. I basically would take that. Don't pay attention. This is a crazy trade right here. I got fucking cooked on this one. You know what I'm saying? Part of the game. I also have another alert all the way at the top here at this zone. This is one of the highest key zones here. This is the swing high. If it comes up to this zone here, if it comes here, it's most likely going to drop down because it came here, and still didn't drop down. So it's probably going to drop down here. This is going to be my target, my overall higher target. I'm really going for around this range here. If it breaks above here, then it has the potential to come up to these highs, which is the 27, which is actually lines up. If I'll move this out the way for you guys, it actually lines up perfectly with this. This lines up perfectly with this. We have another zone here that it could also come and reach. This will be a crazy bullish momentum trade if it plays out the way it needs to play out. Right now, it is Friday, like I said again. It may gap up there on Monday or Sunday when the market opens again. For now, we just want a little bit of that move, a little bit of that bullish. We're still being patient. We're still waiting for it to go. I'm going to tap back in with you guys once it starts to make a move to the upside or downside. Price is starting to push up that value. Like I said, it kicks in. It's going to kick in all the way to break even. It's doing that right now, as I like to see. It's pushing up nicely. This is really all we need for the day. We can swing it higher, we swing it higher. We're going to start to trail once it gets to break even. That is the strategy. We got swing low here. Price came up, made a minor swing high. Then it created another swing low here. This is where we broke out of the zone. We have a swing high up here. Took the fib, placed the fib from this swing low point. Just because like this is a supply and demand zone, it broke out of that zone. This was the last little bit of rejection that we had. I put the swing here instead of here. Just simply because I'm a day trader, I'm not really like a swing trader because we're trading on top of a prop firm, which I can't hold day to day. I took my swing point from this low instead of this low. Took it from here to this high. We have price pulling back past the 382, past the 0.50. Could have took entries here. Would have been a lot of drawdowns, as you can see. 618. This is where we decided to get in, right in between the 5 to 618. Got in right there. Could have easily respected the 786. I almost fucked up with this. It seemed to respected the 618. Now we're getting that bullish momentum up. From here, we'll go break even. Since you technically did tap it, we'll just go break even here. I wanted to see it get a little higher. It did tap break even, so we'll just put break even there. Good old $33. I'm saying break even right there. See it fly. See if it could keep pushing up past this half zone, the 50% zone. Then we'll start to trail. We'll change this to trail zone. I think earlier I said that I was gonna start trailing once we get there. That's what I really meant. This is gonna be the trail zone. Once it gets past that zone there, start to move SL. After this trade, bro, I'm about to go work out and just get my body moving. I've been stuck at these charts for a minute now. She's making me work for it. She's making me work for it, bro. Come on, girl, keep going. New candle forming here, continuing to make this new high, trying to push above these seller zones. It's about to hit my alert. I think we're at break even now. We are. Let's get this thing to keep pushing up some more past this trail zone. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I drop it. I need one good more push. One more push. One more push. Come on. Come on. Get up to these wicks. Get all the way up to these wicks before you start selling. Let's get it. There we go. Push a little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. Now we'll drop our stop loss right there. Boom. And then we just let it run from here. You know what I'm saying? So that is a winning day for me because I got to that trail zone. Now what I really want is that 1500 and I'll be good. From here, now this was a liquidity zone because of this. Now this zone right here is going to be another zone where it can actually push up to get to this resistance. Let's see if we continue pushing up or if we get stopped out. Pretty close to it. Good push up, good push up. Great push up right there. Keep her going. There it is. You can literally see the 15-minute bullish soldiers, 3 bullish soldiers forming right there. 1 bullish soldier, 2 bullish soldier, 3 bullish soldier. If I go back over here, you can see 1 bullish soldier, heavy buying, 2 heavy buying, 3 heavy buying, then the sell off. You know what I'm saying? Not gonna touch it. Almost there. We're at 1300, 1400. All I need is 15. We can keep pushing here. Don't do me like that. Come on, hit CP, man. Hit CP, you're right there. Go ahead and snap her neck. Snap her neck right now. Go ahead.
Order filled.
Oh, boom. Watch her fly now. Watch her fly crazy. That is how you do it. Man, that is how you do it. This is a relief for me, I'm not gonna lie. That was a great trade right there. You know what I'm saying? Great trade. About to hit TP on the trading view too. Man, that's basically it, man. 15-minute swing point. Fibonacci to that 618. That 618 in that gold zone between, like, right here. This is like the gold zone for real. Between the 786 and the 618. Caught it. Got a profitable day on this account. Do this shit one more time, then we'll have an express account passed. That's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you learned something new. I really want to talk about I'm not really talking about it right now. I really want to emphasize the 3 candle soldiers. Like, I knew this was going to form. This is what gave me more confidence in this trade. It was these 3 bullish soldiers. After this candle closed in about 7 minutes, you're going to see a pullback. Watch. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a comment down below. Support the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.